Hello everyone, this is Tim and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Ocypus Gamma F12 ARGB fans. These fans are some of the cheapest Lian-Li-esque SL Infinity clones I have seen on the market. Currently these fans cost only $4 each. Now, like the SL Infinity fans, they do come in a standard variant and a reverse blade variant. However, these fans do not have the daisy chainable interlocking mechanism that the SL Infinities do have, or the SL 120s, or any other similar fan. But they do have your standard daisy chainable PWM and ARGB, and they connect, or you can control the lighting with your motherboard software. Unlike the Lian-Li fans, which use a controller, and it may or may not be easier for you to just use the SL Infinities with the controller, the proprietary controller, or just use your motherboard's ARGB headers and just control it that way. Which in the case of the Lian-Li fans, you have to either buy it separately or you have to buy the 3-pack. Now let's quickly take a look at what's inside the package. It only comes without plastic, with a 4-pack of screws, and has covers on both the infinity mirror and the side mirror, and it is the same for the reverse blade. Now this won't be the be all and end all, but we are going to test it with the FX360 Pro from ID Cooling, just to get a baseline of how good the fan is. Also, these fans currently do not come in a 140mm variant or in white. Now the FX360 Pro, when everything is set to max, it does give respectable numbers at the cost of noise. This is why we also have a value for a noise normalized test of around 38 decibels, just to see how the Ocypus fares. The Ocypus actually maxes out at 1550 RPM for my sample, and the regular fan maxes out at 37.6 decibels, while the reverse blade maxes out at 38. So these are pretty quiet fans. However, this is not a perfect comparison. There are so many other factors to consider, but in a nutshell, in a vacuum, this is how they perform. They're okay, but I would still prefer something else. Now finally, I just want you guys to see how the RGB functions, how it looks. The colors are just more saturated, and I don't have an actual camera to work with, so please bear in mind the colors are actually accurate. They're close enough. The brightness is actually pretty decent. It's not as bright as like 100% white SL Infinity fan, but it still gets up there, and you can see it on the screen. It does lights up the whole case, and it's pretty much what you'd expect from an ARGB fan. So what's my final opinion in fans? For $4 each, $40 for 10 fans, I think it's pretty cheap. But honestly, I think I prefer something more performant, so I'll probably go with Arctic P12s. But if you want a bit of RGB, but you don't want to deal with the cable mess, then I highly suggest Lian-Li fans. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this very, very short video, and I will be uploading more stuff soon, and it's part of the channel revamp. I'd like to thank you guys for being so patient. I know I haven't uploaded a lot, but rest assured, I will upload more in the coming weeks. So I'll see you guys soon, and if there's anything else you want me to review, take a look at, put it in the comments down below.